real gentle
Very
putting them in
gently.
there. All right, very good.
Gently, gently.
Dying Easter eggs, how fun.
And last one. Gently, gently.
Very
Good
good.
job. And we have our
Very
eggs
good.
here
And look
that
at the
we
pretty
did.
eggs he already did. Wow.
Good
Very
job,
nice.
Wyatt.
Very good.
Okay, I'll put this one in. There you go. Yeah, we'll let it we can let it sit there for a little while. Those are really pretty, Wyatt. Look at these. You did those.
Aren't they pretty? See, Papa likes them too.
Yeah.
They're very nice. Very nice. You want to sing an Easter song? Why don't you?
Easter's
coming,
coming.
Easter's coming, ring the bells, ring the bells.
Hear the
The
church
clock's
singing.
hanging, hear the church hanging.
Come
Carmel
to
church,
church.
Carmel church.
Yay! Happy Easter!
Here